Why did you get your camera? You heard it was the best camera from YouTube? People telling you how great it is, how fantastic it is? And you even went to pick up the DJI Mic 2 as well. Get that intro rolling. Hey, I'm Fish. Did you know it's possible to do what they did on that, and that will never happen for us? It's a nice, wonderful, windy day. It's also a nice, wet morning. I'm going to show you what the sunrise looks like today. Oh, the beautiful sun is rising, but it's behind the awesome clouds. I left off and started, don't know what I said before. I'm not going to turn it on to play back to continue my fun and my share and my talk. Because probably by now you already stopped the video, left, and went somewhere else. Don't you just love the cloud formation going and nothing's blocking your view this time round? And the lovely traffic noise just constantly going. And you can see it in the distance, how much traffic there is if you look between the two sailboats. Not those two, not the other two, but the other two. Made my round, halfway that is, and I'm turning around, heading on back. Man, it's like air conditioner out here today. Enjoy those air conditioner mornings. Oh, I got my ride in. I'm gonna have to have a serious talk. And I'm gonna say it once and for all. And I will do it live. I will do it in a video. And I will share it again over. I won't be spending $500 again, or $400 again, or $300 again, just to get what I want. I already spent a lot of money and I didn't get what I wanted. I got what I was given, and that I have to be happy with. So there'd be days that I do want to just pick the camera up and nothing else and go have fun shooting. And that's what the fun is all about. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot. And I hope to see you on many other vids to come. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you later. I'm about to get on out of here. I gotta answer some questions, some emails, and concerns. And oh yeah, it's gonna be a nice cup of Joe day today. Oh man, just looking up at the trees and just enjoying that sky. It's time to get on out of here.